Remember when non-player characters just walked back and forth in a loop until you accidentally bumped into them? Well, by 2026, those days are officially ancient history thanks to the rapid evolution of generative AI. Modern NPCs are no longer reading from a scripted notepad. They are now thinking, adapting, and even holding conversations with you in real time. Imagine walking through an open-world city where every single person has a unique personality, a daily schedule, and a memory of what you did yesterday. Developers are using AI tools to build these massive, complex environments in a fraction of the time it used to take a whole team. It means the procedural generation of terrain and quests feels less like a random algorithm and more like a carefully crafted human experience. Even the difficulty levels are shifting on the fly to match your personal skill level so you never feel bored or unfairly overwhelmed. This isn't just about making games smarter, it is about creating deeply personal stories that change based on the choices you actually make. We are looking at a future where the game world feels truly alive, constantly reacting to your presence in ways we never thought possible. As we move deeper into this era of AI-driven play, one thing is certain: the line between reality and simulation is getting thinner every day. So grab your controller, because the way we play games is about to change forever.